Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see Chapter 2 Addition. So now we are going to see the rules and regulation of addition. The first one, when you change the order of numbers while adding, the sum does not change. I'll repeat, when you change the order of numbers while adding, the sum does not change. That means, for an example, I'll tell you, that is 10 plus 12. You are going to add, okay? This is the first number, this is second number. So I'm going to add 0 plus 2, you can get 2. 1 plus 1, you can get 2. The answer is 22. Now, we are going to change the order. 12, I'm going to write the second number first and the first number second. So I'm going to add, now first I'm adding two numbers. Now what I'm going to do, I'm changing the order of numbers. So I'm going to add 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So you can get the same answer. That is what the meaning is this. When you change the order of number while adding, you're going to change the you're going to change the order of numbers. While adding, when you change the order of number, the sum does not change. Sum means nothing but total does not change. We can get the same total. That is what they mention. I'll repeat once again. When you change the order of number while adding, the sum does not, that means the total does not change. The second one, the sum is always greater than the numbers being added. Sum means the total is always greater than the numbers being added. For example, see, this is the first number 10, this is the second number. So we are adding, you can get the total, that is 22. So compared to these number, the total is greater than these two number. That is what? The total is greater than these two number. That is the meaning of the what? Meaning of the what? Meaning of the definition or meaning of the rule. The next one is, when you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after. When you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after. For example, 15, okay? So example 15, I'm going to add with this. Add with what? 1. I'm going to add 1 with this. So 5 plus 1, 6 and 1. The answer is what? 16. So the number after, you can get, when you add 1 to a number, so 1 is a number I'm adding with 15 and 15 is a number I'm adding with 1 with that. So you can get the number after that. You can get the next number. That is what the meaning of the rule. The next is, the sum of a 0 and any number is the same number. The sum of a 0 and any number is the same number. For example, I'm adding, for example 13. So I'm going to add with 0. So we can get what? 3 plus 0, 3 and 1. The answer is 13. So the sum of a 0 and any number is the same number. This is what? So you can get the same number if you add with 0. You add with 0 with any number. So any number you take, add with 0, you can get the same number. That is the meaning of the rule. So again, read all the rules. When you change the order of a number, while adding, the sum does not change. That means the total does not change. Next is, the sum is always greater than the number being added. While you adding the numbers, see, look at the total. The sum means total of the number. So this total is greater than these two numbers. That is the meaning of the second rule. The third one is, when you add 1 to a number, the sum is the what? Sum is the number after. I'll repeat, when you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after. That is what? I've taken example 15. So I'm adding with 1, you can get the next number. That is what? The sum means the total number. The total number is what? What is the next number you can get? What is the number you can get? 16. So what is the number after 15? You can get the next number, that is 16. You can get the next number. That is what they're saying, the number after. So when you add 1 to a number, the total is the number after. That means you can get the next number of the particular number. The sum of a 0 and any number is the same number. The sum of a 0 and any number is the same number. That means, so example is 13. So I'm going to add with 0. You can get the same number. That is the meaning of the rule. I think you understand all the rules of the addition.